Hi, I'm Abigail, and this is another Montessori inspired lesson. Today I'll be doing marble painting. For this lesson, I like to use a shallow box, something that can get paint inside of it. You might be able to see there's some paint remnants from my previous experiment. You're going to also need some marbles. These are some small marbles. You can use any size. You can use really anything that's a sphere that will roll. I like to have the primary colors of paint because of the way they combine. And a piece of paper. Now, the one thing I will say about this, there's a couple of notes here. The first thing is that my paper is a little smaller than my box, so when I actually do my work, the paper might also move. I could choose to tape it down on the sides, so if you have that same thing at home, don't fear, just go ahead and put some tape on the paper, and then your paper will stay in a place as you move your box. The second thing is, when you add your paint, be careful. Add a little bit at a time. If you add glops and glops of it, your marbles will get stuck in the paint and you won't actually get the lesson to work the same way. So I will begin by adding a little bit of the different primary colors of paint into the box on top of the paper. It's a little bit of the blue, just spread it out a little bit. Again, want to make sure that there's no huge glops. So something like that will probably work. Add a little bit of red. You can see the red is kind of spread out there too. And some squirts of yellow. There it all is. You can see that I've prepared my table space as well, so if a marble happens to fly out, I am protected. I'm going to count 10 marbles into the box to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, since my paper is not taped down, I'm going to gently hold it a little bit on the sides and just roll around my marbles. For the most part, it's working. Some of my paints are still catching marbles, if you can see it there. Maybe a little bit. But mostly they're moving around. Now, I can really continue doing this as long as I want, until I feel like my picture is done. You can see what's happening there. I'm starting to get a little bit of the pretty color mixing from the primary colors. Alright, I will take it out and I'll just see there is the result. Now, very important, obviously put it someplace safe to dry. You could hang it up in a window, put it on some paper, anywhere that's safe. And then if you want to keep going, keep painting, keep adding more things, more color, go for it. I am done for now, so I'm going to go wash my hands and clean up. I hope you enjoy marble painting. Bye!